Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back everyone. I've got some unboxing for you today and for myself as well, because this is something that it's totally new, brand new products from Karin Brushmarkers. Let's open them together. There's a lot of boxes. We've got one huge box and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 smaller boxes. Let's see what's inside the big box first. Real Brush Pro. Wow, I love the color. Oh wow, mixing colors, color brightening and tonal transition. We need to try these. Oh wow, you can touch the brushes next to each other and blend in, and there are some blenders as well. You may be wondering, this looks very similar to something, Marta, you have just unboxed not so long time ago. Well, very much so true. And let me show you the box that I have unboxed only recently, so that will tell you the difference. So I have tried and have been using Brushmarker Pros for the last over a year and loving it, plus neon colors and neo colors. Now these are Real Brush Pro, which is a different type of a marker. However, the colors, as far as I know, are exactly the same. The only I actually have my neo colors here. Sorry about that. The color palette is exactly the same. The difference is that the Real Brush Pro, in the packaging difference, they have a different sort of coloring, which you have white cover with the color on this clip, and you have covers being colored. So that's the difference if you have them mixed it up. And the difference in the actual nib, it's what is so very much different about them, because the color is actually exactly the same, but it's the nibs that are so very much different. Let me show you them from very much close. You can see how different the nibs are. The left one is the old one that we know, and it's their very much famous Brushmarker Pro, and this is the one that I have been using for the past year. And this one is more like a brush. It's really that's the difference. It's really the real brush with sort of hair, which this one is more like a felty nib. So this one is harder, I'm guessing, and this one is softer from my guess. They both are, I'm sure, fantastic for calligraphy, for painting as well. I will be testing this out, but I'm pretty convinced that the brush stroke probably will be slightly different, and we should test it out, I guess. But I just wanted to show you the difference, because if you're into calligraphy, this would make a huge difference to you, possibly. Maybe you have been looking for brush effect marker. It's meant to be like a brush experience. I think it's written brush like experience. There you go, brush like experience. So this is exactly what their markers are for. I think we should swatch it, but before that I will see you and show you what's in the other boxes, because I believe those are also the real brush markers with the real brush, but just different colors. So let's see them. Let's have a look at them again, because they are looking so gorgeous, I must say. You have a selection of greens, purples, pinks, yellows, grays, greens, brown, and you also have the neo colors. However, in the previous video where I have been showing you the Pro Brush Markers, I forgot to tell you that there are actually 3 blenders, and we have never tried this option. So you basically, this is like a clean blending solution, and you can actually blend in the colors. We have never tried it before, and this is silly of me, but we're gonna fix that mistake, and we're gonna be hopefully checking the blending options with those real brush markers. I would love to try it. There's also 3 three of those excuse me, it's blenders. I'm sorry, 3 blenders. I have to say I'm very excited because I don't have the best experience, and if I had any sort of brush like markers, I never used them. I felt they were just too flimsy to this, not pigmented enough, not flowing enough. So I'm very honestly excited to see how good those are. I know that Karin have been working to create them for long. They produced in Europe, actually in Poland, which is so amazing, and I'm sure it's a much more difficult process when you develop your very own product, being unique, and you have your unique formula for the actual pen, for the packaging, for the bristle. It's hard to open it, which is good, it's brand new. So their own bristle idea, the flow of the pigment itself. No, I know that the pigments are exactly the same in both. It's the different packaging and the different bristle, which for some could be just phenomenal, and I will be testing and checking them out. But let's see the other boxes. We've got 8 boxes: natural colors, violet blue colors, nude, metallic, gray, pastel, basic, and passion colors. Now you may be wondering, but Marta, what's the difference between these and these? Well, I'm gonna read it out loud because I think it's quite interesting, important, and I don't want to mix it up. Using real brush pigment paint brushes is similar, these, to using acrylic paints, but in a modern and practical form of a marker with a paint brush, so-called real brush marker. And these, my friends, are they are made using free ink technology, these gray ones, so the color intensity remains unchanged until the last drop. It's a dye-based paint, or for neocolors, pigment-based paint. So these are more like a watercolor-based, I'm understanding. These are more acrylic paints, and it's the same with the other markers that I have opened recently. Now you can see that they are all the same. I haven't posted a video testing those yet, the deco brush markers, but I will very soon, I promise. But you can tell that the sets are exactly the same. You have also the metallic one, and the only difference is the actual nib. So you have more like a real brush feel with these new markers, and you have more like a felty sort of nib. Let's see purple to purple, and I'll show you how they are looking next to each other. Here they are, very much different, I think. And again, the same with the watercolor based markers, we have the difference in the nib. So basically, Karin Marker came up with the idea where they have the whole collection, all the same colors, the type of ink in one type of a brush, and now they came up with this type of a brush. So I think it's very exciting to try them out and see. I'm gonna follow you up with more videos to come with the testing out and mixing the colors and blending, most definitely. Difference in the name, both of these have pigment in the name because those are acrylic based pigments, and the old one is deco brush and this one is real brush because we have the real brush feeling experience with those. And this one, this nib is more like a felty and it's a thicker one, so they are slightly different, and I'm sure for calligraphy artists it's a massive difference. Honestly, having so many pens, I just would love to start on my calligraphy journey. Would you like to see calligraphy journey? Would you be interested in learning, really learning with me calligraphy? Like learning, I'm talking, I have no clue about calligraphy. Actually, this is the way as I use pens to write happy birthday, for example. It's wonky, it's bad, it's not great. Those actually candles are created with the Brushmarkers Pro. I love it. The tutorial is on my Instagram. Let me know, would you like me to learn with you calligraphy together, writing letters, yeah, this all jazz. Best markers on the market I have ever worked with. Now I also need to find a place for them. And one more last thing, you need to store them horizontally, just so you know. Best way is to keep it in the box, but I do believe I'm gonna put them here in front. You can't see, but I have plenty markers and spaces for markers and above here as well, because my watercolor based markers I keep like these. and I love it like that. I just love that. But those pigmented acrylics, they should be stored horizontally. So just so you know, because the color, pigmentation, the thickness of the pigment and all, it could affect the markers. So that's super important. Bye for now, my beautiful friends. I'm gonna chat to you very soon. I love you loads. Bye for now. Bye bye.